Finally. Put some grease, freehub. That is nice and clean, look at that. Very clean. I don't want to make that too much noise, and at the same time I want to have that kind of bee sound. If you want to have a silent freehub, just buy an onyx. Now let's put this right here. Pinch it a little bit and push. Should be inside there too. Oh man, I'm putting too much now. Put it back on. Just go straight. Not too loud anymore. Now let's do it. That's how it sounds like. That's really smooth. Okay. All right, let's do it. Look at that, keeps them going. Nice. That's it, guys. Nice and smooth.